Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the option Device Care. Let's tap on it. Here we have to scroll and find this App Protection option and tap on it. Now let's tap on Turn On and tap on Turn On. As you can see, we've got this information, no threats found, but I do not really trust it. Let's simply tap on Scan Tablet. And now your device is actually scanning itself, scanning all of the apps in order to find any kind of malware, viruses, or any kind of problem. So just wait patiently, let it do it, let it finish, and just wait for the results. Basically, here you've got two results of that, so either no threats found, and now we can just go back and do whatever we want. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update, the problems. It will of course show you the information about it, and it will guide you through the steps thanks to which you will be able to get rid of the risks. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.